Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing about the financing options that businesses have with their computers. When our technicians go on site, quite often we find that companies are running inefficiently because they've got old computers that are more than 5 years old. The processors are slow, they don't have enough RAM, their hard drives are failing, but the companies don't want to spend the money on upgrading all of their machines. Well, we've got a simple solution for you. If you're going to be spending more than $5,000 on replacing your computers and your server, we can actually do that for you and roll it into a 3-year plan. So for a couple of $100 a month, you could be replacing all of the computers in your company. In addition to that, we can actually roll in the managed services so that you're getting supported with your IT support and all your hardware, everything for one fixed monthly cost. If you want to know more about it, give us a call, 281-647-9977.